Introduce highlight features or overview summary of Rowgins 4-channel dashcam, 1080p, HD front and 360 degrees full view dash camera for cars. There are features include 360 degrees full view and 1080p HD front. Capture every angle with the Rowgins wireless dash cam. The 1080p HD front lens and 360 degrees panoramic design eliminate blind spots, delivering crystal clear evidence of license plates. Perfect for busy commutes or complex intersections. Say goodbye to blind spot anxiety. Never worry about missing crucial details from side or rear collisions. Plug and play easy installation. Skip expensive mechanic fees. The Rowgins wireless dash camera features a modern Type-C interface for a hassle-free, plug-and-play setup. Easily mount it to your windshield in minutes. Ideal for any vehicle, from daily commuters to rentals. No complex hardwiring or professional skills are required, saving you time and installation costs. Super night vision and extreme temp resistant. Drive confidently in any climate. Advanced sensors automatically balance exposure for sharp, low-light footage. Built tough, it operates flawlessly in extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit or -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. Perfect for freezing winter nights or baking summer heat. Don't worry about heat crashes, freezing failures, or blurry midnight recordings. Your camera stays reliable and crystal clear. 24 hours parking monitor and collision lock. Secure your vehicle round the clock with the Rowgins wireless dash cam. The built-in G sensor detects sudden collisions, instantly locking critical footage to prevent overwriting. Combined with the 24-hour parking guard, it's your best witness for parking lot hit-and-runs or vandalism. Rest easy knowing your car is protected against careless drivers, even when the engine is off. 3.16-inch IPS screen and seamless loop recording. Enjoy effortless operation and instant playback. The crisp 3.16-inch IPS display lets you review footage on the spot, while loop recording automatically overwrites old unlocked videos, supports up to 128 GB. Great for showing evidence to police or insurance agents. Never worry about a memory full error stopping your recording mid-trip again. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.